Hello dear students, welcome to eKaksha. I am Dr. Sarang Dote, Assistant Professor, JD Patil Sangarutkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Today we are going to discuss the organometallic compounds part 2. In the previous lecture we already studied that what is the meaning of organometallic compounds, how they are formed, and one of the example of organometallic compound we discussed in the earlier lecture is Grignard's reagent. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss the second, the organometallic compounds is organolithium compounds. Organolithium compounds are those compounds in which the carbon atoms of the hydrocarbon group is directly bonded to the lithium metal. One of the major uses of lithium is in the synthesis of organometallic compounds, that is RLI. They have the great importance and the utility in industry and chemical research. Their reactivity resembles that of the Grignard's reagent, but they are generally more reactive. इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ कि आपका जो ऑर्गेनोलिथियम का कंपाउंड होता है इट इज़ अ मोर रिएक्टिव देन ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट. ओके, और इसका बहुत सारी यूटिलाइजेशन यानी इंपॉर्टेंस होता है इन द इंडस्ट्री में एज अ रिएक्शन रिएजेंट्स करके वेरियस टाइप के आप प्रोडक्ट सिंथेसिस कर सकते हो एज वेल एज इन व्हाट केमिकल रिसर्च. In this slide I am taking the few examples like the methyl lithium CH3Li, the structure is also there. Ethyl lithium, that is CH3CH2Li. Phenyl lithium, phenyl ring with attached lithium, this is known as a phenyl lithium. Now the preparation. The best general method for the synthesis of the organolithium reaction is organometallic compound is when the alkyl or aryl chloride with the lithium metal in the benzene or aliphatic hydrocarbon. That means when alkyl halide is react with the 2 moles of lithium, it gives the alkyl lithium plus lithium chloride. This reaction is carried out in the presence of benzene or in the presence of aliphatic hydrocarbon or in the presence of ether, but in the inert atmosphere of nitrogen at 263 Kelvin. What is the meaning of inert atmosphere means what? In the absence of air. ओके आपकी इस रिएक्शन में एयर नहीं आनी चाहिए बिकॉज लिथियम इज हाईली रिएक्टिव टुवर्ड्स एयर के साथ रिएक्ट होकर वो वहाँ पर हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म कर सकता है. इसलिए लिथियम की रिएक्शन इन द अब्सेंस ऑफ एयर करते हैं, इसलिए इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर लगता है. एंड लाइक दैट इन द ऑर्गेनो मैग्नीशियम कंपाउंड हियर आल्सो द रिएक्टिविटी ट्रेंड इज आयोडीन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन ब्रोमीन देन क्लोरीन देन फ्लोरीन. दिस रिएक्शन इज यूजफुल फॉर क्लोराइड, ब्रोमाइड एंड आयोडाइड. In case of a fluoride, there is no formation of organolithium compounds. Now properties. These are the colorless liquid or low melting solids, soluble in organic solvent, sensitive towards air and moisture. Now organolithium compounds, the chemical properties. This organolithium compound so many times shows the similar reaction with organomagnesium compounds. But in this case, the lithium is more electropositive than the magnesium and hence carbon lithium bond is greater ionic. Okay, इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? लिथियम के कंपैरिजन में मैग्नीशियम के कंपैरिजन में लिथियम जो है वो मोर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव है और इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव होने की वजह से कार्बन और लिथियम वाला बॉन्ड जो होता है मोर एंड मोर आयोनिक होता है. सो एज अ रिजल्ट organolithium compounds are more reactive than the Grignard's reagent. Here we are going to discuss the various reactions of organolithium compounds. The first one is when it react with water. See, when it react with water, when organolithium, that is CH3Li, is react with the water HOH, it gives CH4, that is a methane plus lithium hydroxide, gives lithium hydroxide. Okay, when it react with formaldehyde, okay, when it react with the formaldehyde, CH3Li plus HCHO, this is a formaldehyde. Okay, this one is the formaldehyde. It gives the primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, primary alcohol, like organomagnesium compound. When this react with, that is a CH3Li lithium compound, when they react with the acetaldehyde, okay, CH3 C double bond O H, when it react with the acetaldehyde, okay, acetaldehyde, it gives the secondary alcohol. It gives secondary alcohol CH3 CH OH CH3 secondary alcohol. Its a common name is isopropyl alcohol. Its a common name is what? Isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Now next one is what? Reaction with the acetone. When it react with the acetone, okay, the CH3Li plus CH3 C double bond O CH3. When it react with the acetone, it gives the tertiary butyl alcohol, that is CH3 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 OH. Tertiary butyl alcohol. What is that? Tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. When it react with the ethylene oxide, okay, when it react with the ethylene oxide, it gives what? It gives again alcohol. So what is the reaction? CH3Li, okay, plus ethylene oxide. This is the ethylene oxide. It gives CH3 CH2 CH2 OH, also alcohol. And the last reaction is when it react with dry ice, that is CO2, okay, CO2, it gives CH3 C double bond O OH, that is acid, carboxylic acid. So this is the chemical reactions, okay. And here the organolithium compound part 2 is also finished. So thank you. Try to solve various multiple choice questions, and you can attend so many times these questions, okay. So thank you.